Welcome to this video review of TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel. If you're someone who likes to keep their car interiors clean and tidy, then TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel is the perfect product for you. This unique gel is specially designed to pick up dust, dirt, and debris from hard-to-reach areas of your car's interior, such as air vents, steering wheel, dashboard, and more. In this video, we'll be giving you a detailed review of TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel, covering everything from its features, benefits, and how to use it. So grab a seat and let's dive in. Features. Let's start with the features of TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel. This gel is made using a special formula that can easily pick up dirt and debris from tight spaces. It's made of biodegradable materials that are safe for you and the environment. The TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel comes in a reusable container, making it easy to store and use multiple times. Benefits. Now, let's move on to the benefits of TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel. Firstly, it's incredibly easy to use. Simply take a small amount of the gel and press it onto the surface you want to clean. The gel will pick up all the dirt and debris, leaving the surface clean and shiny. Another great benefit of this product is that it can reach areas that are hard to clean, such as air vents and gaps between buttons. With TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel, you can clean every nook and cranny of your car's interior. How to use. So, how to use TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel? Firstly, take a small amount of the gel and knead it into a ball. Then, press the ball onto the surface you want to clean, such as the air vents or dashboard. Roll the gel ball around the surface, and you'll see it pick up dirt and debris. Once you're done, simply put the gel back into its container and store it until the next use. Precautions. Before we wrap up this review, there are a few precautions you need to keep in mind while using TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel. Firstly, it's essential to keep the gel away from heat sources, as it can melt and become unusable. TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel is an excellent product that can help you keep your car's interior clean and tidy. With its unique formula, you can clean every nook and cranny of your car's interior, including hard-to-reach areas such as air vents and gaps between buttons. It's easy to use, reusable, and safe for you and the environment. So, if you're someone who likes to keep their car interiors clean and shiny, we highly recommend giving TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel a try. We hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation. Thanks for watching.